we're gonna catch some fish today. Fishing the creek, that's what I love. This is what I was born to do. Oh, I was born to stick a fishing pole in the ground and break it off almost. Well, all this rain's kind of rained me out of my garden. This is what I grew up doing though, guys. Keep turning around and I got a pole in the water right there. I come down here for two reasons. The sand bass run, you might know those as white bass, and channel cat. So two different kinds of fishing. So I brought two different kinds of setup. Gotta watch it though, he'll jerk my pole in the water if I'm not careful. But anyways, this is what I grew up doing. This is home to me down here on the creek in the woods. So stick with me today, maybe I'll catch a bunch of catfish. Maybe you won't, Bella. Sometimes trying to fish with two poles is tough. Had this catfish pole in the water. I was trying to catch a sand bass. About lost my catfish pole. There he is. That's what I'm after right there. These little channel cat. Anywhere from a pound to 2-3 pounds. Boy, they're good eating dudes right there. Are you kidding me? That's 2 in a row, Bella. Man. I do have a hook. Maybe I got him this time. Yeah, a little one. Here's what I was talking about as a sand bass. This is a little bitty guy. You may know him as a white bass. We call him sand bass around here. These little creeks fill up with these things in the springtime. When these creeks get up and get to flowing, usually you can catch these things by the hundreds, but about twice that size. True fishing story. The first two I missed were a lot bigger than that one. Oh, I got another one. Now, this one's a lot bigger. Could go around my catfish pole. If I can get him in. They fight like crazy. Now there's a big one. Here's what they're supposed to look like. Sand bass. Fight like crazy. So much fun to catch. You know, there's one thing in life I think everybody needs. And that's just some way to get out and enjoy what God created. This is what, this is what we were meant to do. I know fishing's not for everybody, but just being out here alone just gives me that opportunity to to enjoy what God created and what God has given us. Fish, it's what's for dinner. Whew. My walk's over. You know, there's just some sounds, smells, tastes, things that you come through in life that remind you of your childhood. Man, that sound out there, man, makes me miss my dad instantly. He was a true fisherman. He fished every chance he had. That was his passion, and I love it. Takes me back to being a kid. I'm gonna get these fish cleaned up. Well guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. It doesn't get much more fresh and local than that right there. No better way to feed my family than something I can go out here on my own property and catch and clean, and you know, it's organic, fresh. How can you beat it, guys? So I hope you enjoyed this. This is just a little insight on something I love to do. This is what I love to do during the springtime when the garden floods out. Yeah, life gives you lemons. You find you a catfish fillet and fry it up and put lemon juice on it. Anyways, y'all, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this, let me know. Tell me what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share, whatever you feel like doing. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.